This video is about rebuilding the pinch roller in a Beocord 9000. For more information, please visit my blog at beolover.blogspot.com or go to my website at www.beolover.com. These two pictures show the original pinch roller of the Beocord 9000, and so you can see here that the surface of this pinch roller is cracked and pitted. It's a very typical occurrence at this age. And you can also see that if you look here real closely that the surface is actually a little bit curved, and so that is of course not great for transporting the tape in your state-of-the-art tape deck. If you have a pinch roller like that, there's only one thing you can do. You need to get it rebuilt. And I always go to Terry Witt at Terry's Rubber Rollers, and he just does an awesome job. And so you see here the rebuilt pinch roller. So this is the original core, so you just extract it and send it to him, and then a week later you get it back, and you see here how absolutely straight it is. It is perfectly round, and it just works wonderfully in the rebuilt Beocord 9000. Let's have a look how to do this procedure. Here you see the pinch roller as it is installed in the Beocord 9000. It's very easy to get at it. All it needs is that you unscrew two screws on the back of the unit, and then you can flip it open like a book, and then you can access this pinch roller. And so all it takes now is to take off this retaining washer and extract the pinch roller, and then you can send it to Terry and get it rebuilt. So let's have a look how this works. So here with a small screwdriver you can click it out, and be careful that you don't lose it, and that washer on top of the roller, and here you go, that's it. Once you get the roller back, we just do the reverse, and that is the end of it. You put it on there, and then please don't forget the friction reducing washer. Carefully put it on top, and then comes the retaining washer. There you go. Now you know how to rebuild the pinch roller in a Beocord 9000. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.